Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. As you can see, this isn't a normal video, and I'm actually coming on here to apologize. I am not going to be doing the Arteza review tonight or the card. I am just too tired from work, and the video will actually be a long video to do a proper review and to do a proper card tutorial for the card that I'm gonna do with y'all. And so I apologize. And I wanted to come on this way instead of just typing up another update, like I did yesterday. I honestly thought I would have the energy to do it tonight, and it's just not the case. So I hope you understand, and please forgive my appearance. I came home from work, took my shower, took the makeup off, and this is me getting ready for bed. Anyway, again, I hope you understand, but we will have a proper video on Saturday. I'm going to try to do it around 11 or 12, and I'll give you a firm time. I'll post an update Saturday morning with an actual time that I'll be going on with the video. And then Sunday, I'm going to do the crafty chit chat, and that will be live. Anyway, I hope you understand. Again, I'm very sorry, and again, please forgive the appearance, but I'm actually, as soon as this is done, I'm going to bed. So I hope y'all had a good Monday. I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.